So big news for iPhone and Mac users. So if we know the history about Apple is that they are for us, by us, through us type of company. That means that if you have an iPhone, if you have an iMac, MacBook, whatever the case is, if something breaks, they want you to take it back to Apple to get it repaired, and that kind of keeps the money flowing within the organization. So a lot of back and forth on this, and finally, because of some legislation, Apple will now soon sell parts and kits to repair these devices. Let's go ahead and jump into the details. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming news, streaming reviews, product reviews, and unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell, drop your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. So today I will be reading from npr.org. I'll go ahead and link the article in the description if you want to read it in its entirety. So the title of this is Apple will soon sell you parts and tools to fix your iPhone or iMac at home. So Apple customers who want to fix their own devices will soon have access to necessary parts and tools as parts of a new self-service program. The program builds on Apple's efforts to expand across to repair over the past couple years. The company said in a Wednesday statement. It also comes as growing numbers of states introduce right to repair legislation that aims to make it easier for people to fix their own products, citing financial and environmental benefits. So yes, Apple can say that they've been working on this for years and building their efforts to help people, whatever the case is, but most of this decision is because of the legislation that's been introduced. Creating greater access to Apple's genuine parts gives our customers even more choice if a repair is needed, said Jeff Williams, Apple's chief operating officer. In the past 3 years, Apple has nearly doubled the number of service locations with access to Apple genuine parts, tools, and training, and now they're providing an option for those who wish to complete the repair on their own. So self-service options will be available in the US early next year and expand to additional countries throughout 2022. It will also roll out in phases, so starting with the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 lines, and then followed soon after the Mac computers and M1 chip. So if you have an older iPhone, an iPhone 11, whatever the case is, anything further back, look like that's not going to be supported. Look like it's only for the newer devices, at least for now. So Apple says the phase will focus on the most commonly serviced modules like your iPhone displays, batteries, and cameras. Capabilities for additional repairs are slated for later in the year. So how would this work? So historically, your Apple iPhone and computer breaks, you have a few options. You can take it to an Apple store, an Apple authorized service provider, or an independent repair provider that has access to Apple's parts, tools, and manuals. Now you can add your own home to the list as long as you're comfortable and capable of doing repairs yourself. So Apple says customers should first review the repair manual, then place an order for the Apple parts and tools used in the company's new online store. Then they can return their used parts for recycling and receive credit towards the purchase. So kind of a win-win for Apple. Yes, they're not doing the repair, but what they're doing is they're opening it up where if you're going to get your iPhone repair, you at least got to get the parts through them, which I'm sure is going to be a little bit more expensive than if you were to go with a third party. But it is going to give you peace of mind just knowing that you're going to have the genuine Apple parts. The company cautioned that DIY repairs are not for everyone, however. That's pretty obvious. So I'm just going to leave it here. Like I said, this is good news for DIYers, iPhone users, Mac users. Now, if you have a broken iPhone, iMac, MacBook, and you want to get in there, get dirty, you do have the option to order the parts through Apple, genuine parts, make the repairs yourself, and thus hopefully saving you some money. So in the comments, let me know what you guys think. If you're an iPhone users, are you going to try to tackle iPhone or Mac or iMac repairs on your own? I'll also put some in the community section. Head over there and vote. As always, hit the thumbs up on this video, share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.